For our project, we wanted to make a simulation of physics using Scratch.
At first, we thought of making a platformer game where there would be puzzles that you need to solve using forces and kinematics. But coding realistic gravity in Scratch proved to be a challenge, and after many attempts and days of work, we decided to take our project in a different direction.
We ended up changing our focus and changing our physics topic to reflections and refractions. We decided that it would be interesting if we could apply these physics and create a game. A lot of video games use physics to create interesting and engaging gameplay mechanics.
After we coded the scripts that our project would run off of, we realized that we could implement this code into a game.
The twist this time would be refractions. We thought that adding a hazard on the screen that would refract the ball as if it was a ray of light would make for an interesting gameplay mechanic. All of this would be accurate to real-life physics.
This sprite acts as the ray of light. It points at a specified angle and is programmed to move forward until it collides with a wall. Reflection on a plane mirror was easy to implement.
The angle that it hits the mirror is the angle that it will be reflected at. However, refractions took a lot longer to figure out.
Once the sprite collides with the glass, the script will then find the reference angle of the ray of light. Because of the way that Scratch handles angles, it changes the way we find the reference angle.
After a lot of testing, troubleshooting, and struggling, we were finally able to get the refractions working.
After finding the reference angle, we can use Snell's law to find the angle of refraction using an index of 1.0003 for air and 1.52 for glass. If the angle is in quadrant 1, the reference angle is the angle. If it's in quadrant 2, the reference angle is -1 times the angle. Quadrant 3 is 180 degrees plus the angle, and quadrant 4 is negative angle plus 180 degrees.
Now all we had to do was turn this into a game by changing the ray of light into a ball, adding a few paddles, points, and our twist. We put glass over half the screen. When the ball goes between the glass and air, it refracts, changing its path and creating a fun and interesting variation to the normal Pong experience.